Today we're making jalapeno poppers, full-sized and bacon wrapped. You can make these over your smoker, your grill, or your oven, and they are wonderful. You're going to need 12 nice-sized jalapenos. We want to cut them in half lengthways, leaving the stem on one side. Now we'll need to remove the seeds and the core, and I like to cut around the core with a paring knife and then scrape it out with the spoon. Now put the pepper back together and pin it with a toothpick. You can thank me later, because this way you don't have to hunt for the matching pieces when you go to fill it. Next, rinse off any loose seeds in cold water. For our filling, we'll use 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 8 ounces of grated cheese. Today I have sharp cheddar, and we'll also need 2 tablespoons of your preferred rub. I'll be using Dano-O spicy seasoning because it's low sodium. Since my cream cheese wasn't all that soft, I just stuck everything in the microwave for a few, and then I gave it a stir and mixed it up. You want to use a spoon to fill each of the pepper halves to level, not overfilled, and then put them back together and wrap it up with a slice of bacon. And I'm using 2 toothpicks to secure the bacon. And of course my bacon's hickory smoked maple. Now if you have any filling left over, then it's not filling. Now we're going to call it dip. So get out your chips and crackers and finish it off. Now my grill is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm using my 3-burner propane grill, and only 2 of the burners are lit. So I like to start off the cooking using indirect heat. So the peppers are going on the unlit burner on top of a grilling mat. So the grilling mat makes for easier cleanup, and when you get through, you just throw it into the dishwasher. Yes, the indirect heat will take a little bit longer, but it's more forgiving this way. But we're still going to want to turn the poppers over about every 20 minutes or so. After about an hour, slide the mat over to the direct heat to finish them up. The bacon's not going to be completely crispy, but we do want some good color to it. Of course, when it's directly over the flame, you need to keep everything turned and moved around as needed, because it's going to finish up quickly. All right, the peppers are not going to get completely soft. They will be al dente. They'll retain a little bit of that original crunch. So look at these poppers. So easy, so good, and now you too will be the barbecue hero. Now at this point, if you got extra jalapenos, this next video will show you how to slice them up restaurant style. You're gonna love this jalapeno hack.